Hi, I'm Ursula Sadiq, Product Manager with Autodesk Plant Solutions. In the first Ortho video, we started with a model that included reference drawings and created a large plan view. Then we created a second Ortho with several views of a pipeline. In this video, we'll add annotation, make changes to the model, and update the view in the annotations. Finally, we'll add some dimensions. I'll double-click in the plan view of the Project Manager before placing the first annotation. This zooms to that view. Now I'll click on the Ortho Annotate in the ribbon, and, as prompted, I select the pipe. In the command line, I'll type F for the full line number callout and press Enter. When prompted to place the annotation, I click above the pipe. Here's the annotation. I'll zoom in so you can see the size, the line number tag, and the spec. Plant 3D has a number of annotation styles that CAD managers can customize in project setup. For example, your CAD manager can add a leader to this full line number callout style. I'll show you an example. I'll pan to the left to annotate the 10-inch pipe, and this time, instead of using the ribbon, I'll right-click on the pipe I want to annotate. I'll select Annotate from the menu, and then the full line number callout. Notice all the styles available, among them the installation callout, line number callout, nominal size, and so forth. I'll place the annotation above the pipe, select a starting point for the leader of the annotation, and select the ending point on the pipe. Here's our annotation with leader. I'll zoom out to show the full ortho drawing. For the smaller back elevation view, I want to use a smaller font for the annotation. So I'll click the down arrow on the annotation panel and click Text Style. I'll change the text height to 0.125. Now I'll right-click in the pipe as before, select the annotation I want, again, full line number callout, and I'll click to place as before. I click the start of the leader and the destination of the leader. Done. Now I'll show you how to update an ortho drawing to reflect changes in the model. Let's say I know I want to change this 12-inch pipe to 10-inch pipe. First, I'll use the Locate in 3D Model command to zoom directly to the specified pipe segment in the model. I'll click the Locate in Model button on the ribbon, and then click the pipe I want to find. This will open the model with this pipe and zoom into it so I can edit it. I'll make a small change to the pipe properties, in this case changing the size to 10 instead of 12 inches. Notice the reducers are automatically added. Now I'll return to the ortho drawing and apply these changes to my orthos. So I click on the back view in the Project Manager, and I right-click and I pick Validate View. Red comes back indicating the view needs a change. I'm going to update the view, and this will update both the annotation and the graphics. See the reducers and the sizing changed back to 10. Now we'll take a look at dimensioning. Unlike annotations, we begin in paper space. Here we'll zoom in on the plan view and then click Dimensions in the Ortho ribbon. The dimension functionality is from base AutoCAD, so any techniques you know from AutoCAD can be used here. We'll be using the End O snap to specify the endpoint of the pipe alignment lines on each side, and click to place the dimension. Since we're going to spend a little time dimensioning, we'll take a moment to set up our O snap defaults to endpoints. This should make it easier while dimensioning. Let's add a few more dimensions to the plan view. From paper space, for each dimension, we click Dimension on the Ortho ribbon, snap to each side, and place a dimension. You can see how easy it is to dimension the simplified and flattened geometry created in the Ortho view. As you would expect, these dimensions are real-world dimensions no matter what scale the view was placed at. And as with AutoCAD, you can fine-tune what is dimensioned by relocating the endpoint of the dimension line. Now we clean up some detail. There's a bit of structure we don't want to see in the plan view, and we can remove it without affecting the other views. We can turn off layers because each view uses unique layer names, which are combined from the model and the ortho view name. Here we'll turn off some stairs, handrails, and a rack to have a clearer view of the pipeline. As you can see, annotating, updating, and dimensioning orthographic drawings with AutoCAD Plant 3D is simple and straightforward. We hope you'll tune in for more videos where we show you how to route and edit pipe, produce ISOs, and complete other plant design tasks. Thank you for watching.